Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So it's Mrs. White again, and if it's your first time watching this channel talks about a lot of things about Hermès, but occasionally I do talk about other luxury brands or some fashion styles. So today's videos, I'm doing a little unboxing. I actually picked up a Espadrilles from this brand, and I will share with you why did I choose this one instead of the Chanel version, because I did consider, the Chanel Espadrilles, but then after I've seen this one and, I did try both just to have a feel of it, at the end of the day, I choose the Jimmy Choo. So let me just do a quick unboxing and I will share with you my insights on the both options. Okay, so I'll just do it real quick. This is a little dust bag. Yes, so this is the powder pink Espadrille from Jimmy Choo. They call this color powder pink, but I don't really think it's, pink. It's more like a beige tan color, which I love. And I'll just take it off here. And if you see little details, and inside here it said Jimmy Choo, right? And this all made in leather. So this is the Espadrille's bottom, and you see the bottom of the shoes. Ooh, has a very nice stars. Okay, and this is in size 37.5. Okay, and this is definitely part of the reason why I choose Jimmy Choo over Chanel version, because I've tried on the 37 and I tried on the 38. Chanel doesn't make half size for their Espadrilles, which I was like, why wouldn't you? I tried on the 37, I think it was too tight. And then I tried on the 38, I think it's too loose, because I know as you wear it, it's gonna get loosened. So I'm like, it's gonna get stretched out basically. So I'm like, I don't wanna wear a shoes that doesn't seem to fit. But with the Jimmy Choo, it's very comfy, and it's a 37.5, which is a true size. I love it. So another thing I like about it, it's you see how it's just say, their logo, just the shoes is actually makes it really detailed and nice. Because I don't really like too logo-y, and I think this is like already considered as low-key. So another thing I like about Jimmy Choo's over the Chanel version is that, it's not very logo-y. Like you see, like the logo is only on the side. And I think that's considered low-key, because the Chanel version, it has a lot of logos in the front, which sometimes I'm a little iffy about it. And I like the fact that this is rubber sole instead of, leather. So I think it's, longer lasting. I can wear it for longer. So it's more doable with the rubber sole, because then, if there's rain all of a sudden, then I can still wear it. Okay. If it's a leather sole, you wouldn't want to walk with it. So I actually purchased this at an outlet, at a Jimmy Choo outlet. The original price of this one is $485. I purchased with $235 with 10% off. So that makes it around $210 plus tax. And I will tell you guys why I got an additional 10%, because it was kind of interesting story. So I walked into the store and I immediately asked for the Espadrille to try it on with different colors. I tried the black one and I tried this one. And we found out for some reason with this version of the shoes and the other lighter color, it has like a pencil mark. So we were like wondering, like, is it the design or is it just how it is? So we asked, and our SA technically just said, oh really, I didn't notice it, it's not supposed to be there. And then so she took the shoes, walked to the back, and came back and said, well, if you guys take it, I'll give you an additional 10% off. So then we were like, oh, it's just a little mark. It can pull up as a design. So we were like, yeah, we'll take it. Shoes, and I love it. because it's not too high and it fits right in for my foot. With a pencil, you don't see it anymore because when we came home, my husband, well, Mr. Y, just used his finger and rub it off. I don't know how, but he was like, oh, look at it. I'm like, it's gone. I'm like, okay. So we got extra 10% off for the perfect ones. So please comment below and let me know what you guys think, and would you guys pick the Jimmy Choos over the Chanel version, or you still prefer the Chanel espadrilles? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. I hope you guys found it informative in terms of like espadrilles options, because you know Hermès also has one, and Chanel's, and now Jimmy Choo, and there's plenty more. So if you like today's videos, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos, especially the last of my Hermès items. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!